Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karina and I'm a cabin crew by profession. So आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी how to apply for a cabin crew after your 12th standard because even I became a cabin crew soon after my 12th standard. So let's get started. मैं एक complete series shoot करने वाली हूँ on how you can be a crew, how to apply, how to make your resume and also how to calculate your BMI. So this will be coming in upcoming videos, so do not miss it. एंड ऑल्सो आई बी टेलिंग यू वॉट ऑल हैपन्स आफ्टर यू गेट सिलेक्टेड मेडिकल्स में क्या होता है, फिर ट्रेनिंग में क्या होगा, ट्रेनिंग के बाद क्या होगा, फ्लाइंग कैसे स्टार्ट होगी, ये सब कुछ मैं आपको अपने कैबिन क्रू सीरीज में बताने वाली हूँ। तो सबसे पहले आपका 12 पास होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एयर इंडिया में क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायरमेंट है जो कि है 50% आफ्टर यू कंप्लीट योर 12 स्टैंडर्ड, बट इन इंडिगो एंड एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस आपको कोई भी परसेंटेज रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई। Talking about the documents, passport is actually not mandatory during the time of interview for Air India and Indigo. मैं ऐसे क्यों बोल रही हूँ because express के लिए ये एक mandatory document है. If you do not have a passport, you may get rejected during the documentation round, and they are very strict about it. Soon after your BMI check, they will be checking with your documentation. So you make sure that your documentations are ready whenever you are applying for Air India Express. Apart from that, in Air India Express, there is an additional document required which is vaccination certificate of COVID-19. So you should have a vaccination certificate. General documents required are Aadhaar card, PAN card, your 10th qualification mark sheet, your 12th mark sheet. Apart from that, your CV, and rest is all done. So whoever is falling in the age gap of 18 to 27 can apply for this role. For females, the height requirement is 155 centimeter. This is the minimum height requirement in India. And for male, it is 170 centimeter. This is also the minimum height requirement in India for male candidates. Apart from your height and weight, your BMI should be proper. For female, it's 18 to 22, and for male, it's 18 to 27. Basic skills required to become a cabin crew is communication skill, your grooming and personality skill. Apart from that, customer handling and safety concerned person. You should be calm and polite, and this is the basic skill which airline is looking for. Now let's move on to the final step. Now you already know what are the qualification and what are documents you require for the particular airline. So the final step is now how to apply. तो अप्लाई करने के लिए आपको पहले अपने ब्राउज़र पे आना है, गूगल, क्रोम, सफारी जो भी आप यूज़ करते हो। फिर आपको टाइप करना है करियर्स एट इंडिगो या करियर्स at Air India, careers at Air India Express or Akasa. Whenever you search this, you will get lot of pages open. You can click any of the pages. उसके बाद उनके ही वेबसाइट पे सब कुछ मेंशन होता है, cabin crew, pilot, ground handling or ground services. You can go to cabin crew, then you can check the eligibility. If they have a hiring open, they will have an option apply now or registered now. Even if you register in advance, the airline knows that you have already registered, and they might send you an email or whatever for walking interviews. So you can definitely go for the walking interviews, or you can get an online assessment. If you clear the online assessment, you will be given an venue and date and time if you have a walking after you clear the online assessment. So this is the final step of application, and after that you need to crack your interviews. So my suggestion to everyone who is willing to become a crew after 12th, or whoever is falling between the age of 18 to 27, अगर आप crew बनना चाहते हो तो बस एक ही एयरलाइन पे फोकस मत कीजिए. You can focus on all the airlines hiring in your surroundings. Get yourself registered, get yourself hired, do your trainings, become an experienced crew. Even if you do not want to work with that airline, you can at least have an experience. You are an experienced crew, then you have a privilege to even get selected in other airlines. Guys, आज की वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही. आई होप मैंने सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आज की वीडियो में दे दी है. अगर कुछ भी मिस आउट हो गया है तो प्लीज़ आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड ऑल्सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो इज all about BMI, resume, and your CV and whatsoever. Apart from that, if you have any queries, you can mention in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.